Well, Kericho County will be unveiling its first batch of graduates from its youth empowerment program on Friday. The more than 700 youth will be passing out at the Kericho Green Stadium, where Bryggetes Ngana is with the Governor Prof Paul Chepkwony to shed more light on the initiative. Bryggetes?
Well, Gladys, it is a very chilly evening here at the Kericho Green Stadium, and just as you have mentioned, I'm with the governor of this county, Professor Paul Chepkwony, who is also the chair of the Culture, Gender and Sports Committee in the Council of Governors. I think I've confused myself, but the governor is just going to tell us about this committee. But most importantly, tomorrow, it's a big day for this county. What have you lined up for the youth of this county, and why did you choose to have this youth empowerment program?
Thank you, Bridget. I would like to say that, first of all, I'm the chairman, Gender, Culture, Sports, Social Services, Education at the Council of Governors.
Yes.
Tomorrow, the youth of Kericho County, and we took 25 youths per ward.
Yes.
And there'll be 750 of them.
Yes.
Will be passing out. They've been in for an intensive training.
Use my mic.
They've been in for an intensive training for the last 3 months and a half, and these youths will be employed automatically tomorrow. We had to create this program on the understanding that the youth of this country are jobless, and beginning with Kericho, we decided that we will take them through a national youth service-like program where they were trained on various entrepreneurial skills, where they were trained on so many aspects of enforcement. Some will be participating in enforcement of environmental issues, some will be taking care of traffic, others will be involved in revenue collection. So all of them will come out and they will be employed.
So maybe in this session, this is the first time this county is doing this. Why did you decide to take it your initiative as the Kericho County government, yet we still have NYS that is also able to train this youth in this way? And how best, also, what is the unique aspect of this training, and how is it addressing the country's problem of youth unemployment?
Thank you very much, Bridget. This is not a paramilitary training. NYS is a paramilitary training which has been developed through an act of parliament. What we've done in Kericho County is to look at the youth, especially who have not gone to college. Yes. And we targeted especially those with D- and below, because they also need a living. So what we did was to take them for this intensive training. We trained them on all the skills that are required at that level, so that when they come out, some will be working in our polytechnics, some will be manning some of our strategic infrastructure. And as they do that, we also incorporate them into workforce of Kericho County, and they'll be earning a living through that kind of engagement.
Tell us the creativity behind this, because as a county, you're cash strapped. You need to think of ways of how you're going to train these people, because they're coming for training depending on the county to train them, and also maybe afterwards give them opportunity.
Now, what we did was to enhance revenue collection, because what is needed at the end of the day is salary to pay this youth. And without a salary, it's impossible to create a youth program. Number two, we are going to stop all procurement services for security in this county, and instead convert the money that would go into those services into youth empowerment programs. And then finally, what we've done is to seal every loophole of seepage in terms of revenue losses. And when we did that, we realized we have some excess money which then could be used to employ these youths who are jobless.
Okay. So Gladys, that's just a brief snippet of what's going to be happening here tomorrow. And one of the main pointers that the governor himself is saying is that this county will no longer be seeking to hire or outsource security services. They have youth who are willing to take up that responsibility at the cost of this county. But tomorrow, keep it tuned on NTV, where we'll be having this function live during the morning session, during our morning broadcasts. Gladys.
Thank you.